Hello guys and welcome to my channel PixBreak. In this video I will show you how you can change the background color of our image. So without any further ado, let's get started. I upload more than two videos how you can change a background color. First video is how you change a background color in Photoshop 2021, but I am not explain in this video because I don't have a microphone at this time. So all of the people saying no explanation found without explanation, this video is not helpful. So after that I upload a video in shorts how you change background color in Photoshop. So the people is not satisfied this video. He is saying me you need to record a voice in background. So now I'm recording a voice in background. So now let's start the procedure. First of all, you need to download this image. I am downloaded from unsplash.com. If you want to download, I will give you a link in description and I will upload this to my website. You can go and download this image. After that, you need to select the object that's right there, the girl's object. I'm changing the background color of this image. So first you need to make a selection around the object. I have more than 3 ways to creating a selection in object. So first way, you need to just unlock the layer, background layer, make the simple layer, and then you need to change the name to object. After that, you need to go in properties panel and you can go in quick actions. You see two options in Photoshop. After Photoshop 2020, these two options will added. You can see remove background or select subject, but in my previous video I am use a select subject option. So the people is saying me I have no option about select subject. So if you don't have, you need to update your Photoshop if you want to use this option. If you not able to update a Photoshop, so you can make a selection by quick selection tool, and you can make a selection by lasso tool. If you make a selection with the pen tool, that is very difficult to make a selection with pen tool, or quick selection tool is good. So in old version of Photoshop you don't have a quick selection tool also, so please update your Photoshop version. So now if you have a version after Photoshop 2020, so you can find these two options. So now start the procedure. First you need to select the subject. I'm using this option. It takes some time. After that he makes a very beautiful selection. Now this is made a selection around the subject. So now after that you need to select on the mask. The mask is created. Well, after that you need to select the subject object layer and then go to the layer panel and make adjustment layer solid color. I am using a blue color. This is a cool, and I select the color fill layer and rename to BG color, mean background color. After that select a BG color layer and drop down to the object. Now you can see the background color is changed. If you want to change more, you can select this mask layer and you can change the color what you want. I hope you like this video. If you like, so please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. If you have any question, you can comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, be happy.